Pasig City Mayor Vico Soto files a complaint before the Commission on Elections against contractor Sara Diskaya for alleged overspending during the campaign period and perjury in relation to the 2025 midterm elections. Soto personally lodged a complaint on Thursday, February 19 before the COMELEC's Political Finance and Affairs Department. Soto's election lawyer, Attorney Romulo Macalintal, accompanied the mayor. Soto and Diskaya were rivals in the midterm elections. Soto is suing Diskaya for allegedly violating the Omnibus Election Code for campaign spending in excess of the amount authorized by law and Article 1A3 of the Revised Penal Code for knowingly making false and material statements under oath in her statement of contribution and expenditure.
Tingin ko malinaw naman clear and blatant violations of election law. Sa totoo, ayoko na rin gawin to kasi nakakaabala din. Pero sa atin kasi, ang gusto natin, sa lungsod Pasig, kailangan sumunod ka sa batas. Kailangan sumunod ka sa election law. Kung sinabing kailangan mo i-declare lahat ng gastusin mo, dapat i-declare mo na maayos. Sa totoo lang, nag-uusap kami ni Attorney Macalintal, parang ayoko na rin gawin. So, hindi naman ako yung mag-file, wala naman ibang magpa-file din ito.
According to Soto, his filing of the election complaint is not only about Diskaya or her team. He says it should send a strong message to Pasigueños to follow the law.
Hindi na lang ito tungkol kay Diskaya lamang o sa team nila. Para sa akin po, ito po ay statement na sa lungsod ng Pasig, dapat sumunod tayo sa batas. Darating ang barangay elections ngayong taon. Diba? Mensahe to sa mga nagnanais maging kapitan, kagawad, sumunod kayo. Ganun din, pagdating ng 2028, kahit sino pwedeng tumakbo. Basta eligible, basta qualified, pero sumunod kayo sa batas. At kung hindi, gagawin namin ng bahagi namin para managot kayo. Yun lang naman ang pinakamensahe po rito.